Did you know that you can snack your way to a healthier liver? That's right, your liver, the body's natural detox machine, deserves a little love. And guess what? You don't have to give up delicious snacks to support it. Let's dive into some super tasty treats that can make your liver smile. Get ready for snacks that not only taste amazing, but are packed with nutrients to keep your liver running like a well-oiled machine. First up, this might just be the sweetest thing you'll ever do for your liver dates. Dates, they're not just for your desserts anymore. These little power-packed fruits are loaded with fiber, potassium, and magnesium. What does that mean for your liver? A lot. The antioxidants in dates fight off oxidative stress, which is one of the key causes of liver damage. They're also a fantastic source of fiber, which helps your digestive system stay in tip-top shape, allowing your liver to focus on detoxifying without extra strain. And the best part? Dates provide a natural energy boost without the sugar crash, helping keep your liver functioning smoothly all day long. Next, we're talking about a snack that combines both decadence and detox power. Let's dive into mixed nuts with dark chocolate. Who doesn't love a little indulgence? But when you pair those crunchy mixed nuts with some rich dark chocolate, you're not just satisfying a craving, you're fueling your liver with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Walnuts, especially, are a liver hero with their omega-3 fatty acids, reducing inflammation and keeping your liver cells healthy. Dark chocolate, especially the good stuff with high cocoa content, is packed with flavonoids. These antioxidants protect your liver from damage, improve circulation, and help your body detoxify naturally. So this snack isn't just tasty, it's a liver-loving delight. Now let's switch gears a bit and go for something a little sweeter, but still full of liver-loving benefits. It's time for honey paired with apple and cinnamon. Honey, apple, and cinnamon, a combo that's as soothing as it is effective. Honey is packed with antioxidants and has natural anti-inflammatory properties. It's the kind of sweetness your liver loves because it helps protect liver cells from damage while supporting detoxification. And that apple? Well, it's rich in fiber and pectin, which helps remove toxins from your digestive system before they even reach your liver. So every bite is a step towards a cleaner liver. And don't forget the magic of cinnamon. It's not just a tasty spice. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, and it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. That means less stress on your liver and more support for its detoxifying functions. Last but certainly not least, let's finish strong with a creamy probiotic-packed snack Greek yogurt with cinnamon. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, and as we know, a healthy gut is key to supporting a healthy liver. Probiotics help regulate the digestive process, ensuring your liver isn't overburdened by toxins. Plus, Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, which is just the cherry on top for your liver and overall health. Add in some cinnamon for an extra anti-inflammatory kick, and you've got yourself a liver-loving snack that also helps regulate blood sugar. It's a win-win for both your gut and your liver. So there you have it. 4 simple, delicious snacks that are packed with everything your liver needs to thrive. They're easy to prepare, tasty to eat, and most importantly, they support your liver in all the right ways. Remember, a healthy liver leads to a healthy body. So why not treat yourself to these liver-loving snacks and snack smart for a brighter, healthier tomorrow? Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to give your liver the care it deserves, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips and tricks. Keep snacking, stay healthy, and show your liver some love.